Welcome to another video, dear viewers. Today's journey is not about a single story or one specific athlete. Instead, we are bringing an large assembly of legends. This video is a curated gallery of human potential, designed specifically matters for those who treat their body like a temple and their training like a craft. Inspiration is the fuel that keeps the fire burning. We are not just looking at muscles, we are looking at years of discipline, thousands of hours in the gym, and the unwavering will to sculpt a masterpiece. See you another next video, next topic, dear viewer. Okay, take care of yourself and bye bye.